Hi, I'm Simon, and in this short video I want to show you some extra additional maintenance you can do to your AquaClean Mera CARE toilet. I'm going to use the remote control once again, and I'm going to press the plus and the start button. And as you've seen in previous videos, out comes a wash arm, and whilst you can still give it a squirt and a wipe with some antibacterial spray, some additional work you can do is to simply grab hold of the wash arm and twist it anti-clockwise. And on doing so, you'll feel it release, which means you can then take it out and you can give it a more thorough clean. You can place it under a tap and wash it right through. You can even use your cloth to clean the chamber. And once you've done, you simply put the wash arm back in and rotate it clockwise until you feel the click. Once we have the click, we press the big silver button again and the wash arm goes back in and the dryer arm comes out. And again, if you take hold and rotate anti-clockwise, you can actually remove the dryer, and now you can place it under a tap and wash right through, giving it a good clean and a wipe down as you go. When you're replacing the dryer, it's worth noting that it doesn't go in straight. You have to drop it down slightly, have a little wiggle round, push till you feel resistance, and then turn clockwise till it clicks in. And then you simply press the big silver button one more time and the wash arm goes back. Okay, many thanks for watching. Take care.